Hey, it is so good to see you again. Thanks for coming back. So today I am going to be opening up sosusan Color Curate cosmetic bag. And this comes in a plain black bag. It runs $20.95 monthly. It is vegan and cruelty free and usually includes 4 full-size products. So let's look inside and see what they sent me. It's a limited edition makeup bag, so every month it changes. Dun, dun, dun. And this month it looks like, woo, it's like spring in cactus country. And there's the sosusan logo right there. That is so cute. This is definitely very springy. You get a card included. And the front of the card basically just matches the makeup bag itself. The back has a list of everything that comes included this month, as well as the cost. And this runs $12. One thing I always appreciate about sosusan is they have all their products in bubble wrap. So they are super cautious to make sure you don't get a broken product, and I appreciate that. And this is by Trifle Cosmetics, and it's in Fruit Punch, and it's Color Intense Spongy Eyeshadow Palette. And this is the back, and this runs $22. So this is the case. It looks like sorbet, has all the ingredients listed, their website. There's a mirror included. I'm just gonna block off the mirror, but those are the colors. Spiked plum, pineapple pop, cool peppermint, choco sprinkles. Ooh, it's super creamy. Spiked plum. Oh, that is a beautiful purple. Pineapple pop. Whew, that is a very yellow gold. Wow. Choco sprinkles. Oh, that's such a beautiful sheen too. Cool peppermint. Oh, that's such a pretty sheen too. So those are all 4 colors in the palette. They're gorgeous. Okay, and here is the spiked plum. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. And I gotta tell you, I feel like a queen. I feel like such a superstar right now. I did have to pack them on quite a bit to achieve this look. It wasn't just like swipe, swipe, swipe. I used the blue. I was sparing with it since I didn't want to ruin the look. And I gotta say, I'm just like in love with this look. Completely in love. The only thing I could see about this look is it is starting to crease. But it's making me so sad because it looks so awesome. And then all of a sudden I'm like seeing these lines all through it. And I'm like, no! Moving on, I have a Jelly Pong Pong cosmetics item. And the name of that company always makes me laugh. And this is Luna Light. And it is in the shade Aurora. This runs $19, which seems a bit much to me for this like itty bitty highlighter. I'm just gonna try it on for size and see how it works. So this is the item itself. Luna Light. Bam! Aurora is rose gold. Yeah, yep. Aurora is rose gold in color. We'll just put her over here. Whoa! Oh my goodness. Well, Aurora shows up. She's like, hey, how you doing? Oh, wow. That is a nice sheen, I gotta say. Let's go down the nose. Yep, I just made my nose super shiny. I'm pretty sure I went a little bit overboard. Oh my god, it's like streaky. Oh no, 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 no. That was not my intention. So I'm just gonna look straight on because I look fine this way and I go like this and I'm like, ah! Next up, I have a Halo on High, and this is a luminizing powder cream in the color Presidential. Give me a second, I just want to double check before I open this up because I can include this in a giveaway if I have to. Oh, I got it, I got it. So I received the Stratosphere palette actually put the video right there if you want to see it. And right there is Presidential. So I am going to be closing this back up, and I'll include it in a giveaway, and I'll just use this. This runs $25, which seems a bit much just for one little color. And this is kind of good, so maybe I'll mute this this crazy. Oh, nope, it's not muting it. I think it's actually adding to it. So just gonna use my finger. Oh, that's the color. Oh, it did mute it a little bit. I just have so much of the other one. And why would they even send me 2 highlighters? That doesn't seem right. This is a swatch of Presidential. There it is. That's what it's supposed to look like without all the mess on my face. This is a jelly Pong Pong, and it is a lip patine, and it is in the color Hermit. So it is a twisty, so you basically just pull it up, twist it up, and twist it down. And this is the color Hermit. And I'll just swatch it up here so you can see. It's super creamy, I can tell you that. It's a nice red. I have no problem with it. It's like a burnt orange brown red. It works. It doesn't really go with the eyeshadow. This is sosusan. Oh, this runs $22. That was everything included in my sosusan Color Curate Cosmetics bag. And I spent $20.95. And I got a total amount of stuff of $100 even. Like, that is crazy. One of those items is definitely going to be going in a giveaway that shall be occurring sometime in the near future. As you can see behind me, I still have a lot more boxes to open up. So if you like what you see, hit that like button. And if you want to see more of me, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Cheers.